Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Google Pixel 3. So I bought this on eBay for around $500 and it arrived within a couple of days. So let's go ahead and unbox it in this video. Looks like it actually came with a little case, but probably won't use it. Nice to have that as a bonus. Alright, so here is the box. As you can see, it's a bit damaged. This is because I bought it secondhand. Just open it. And here is the device. And looks in okay condition. I'll set that to the side. And we have some instructions how to use the phone, and we also get the SIM ejection tool. So there's that. And inside we have USB cable, and this doesn't look like the the Pixel cable. It looks like it's from a Samsung or something. You also get AK, well, I was about to say AKG, but just some regular headphones. I think this is like a knockoff of Samsung's AKG headphones. But we do get original USB-A to USB-C adapter. So there's that. And in here we have a HTC power adapter. I think this is the fast charger. We get a HTC power adapter, and yeah, that's about it. So pretty much different accessories for this phone, but I guess because it's second hand, so we'll just peel this plastic off. And it actually looks in good condition. I mean, there is a bit of scuff on the back, but overall it's pretty good condition. So we'll just take a look around the phone. This is a 5.5 1080p display. So you can see it has the dual cameras. We've got the his speaker grills, which looks in alright condition. Nothing on the side here. On the bottom, it's really hard to see, but our USB Type-C port. There's our SIM card. We have a volume controls, power button, or sleep wake button, and then on the top we have the microphone. On the back we have our, I believe it's a 13.3 megapixel camera, microphone and flash, and there's our fingerprint. Alright, so let's go ahead and power this on. Alright, so first of all I'm going to change the language. So I'm English in Australia. And hit start. So we're going to skip that. Alright, so now it's asking me to connect to my Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now it's asking me to copy apps and data, but I'm going to do that later. Okay, now it's asking me to sign into my Google account. I'll just skip that. Yep. And we'll just hit accept. And we'll just skip that for now. Okay. And here it is. So my Pixel is all set up. Obviously I'm gonna after this video I'm gonna go and sign in into my accounts and get it all ready. But yeah, so this is the new Android 10, I believe. You can see that this is running Android 10, as you can see right there. Alright, so before we end this video, I just want to do a little comparison with the other phones. So first thing I got is the iPhone 6s Plus. This is a 5.5 inch display, and as you can see, the Pixel is considerably much smaller. Even though they both have the same display size, the Pixel is a lot smaller, and that's because they've well, it has less bezels than the iPhone 6s Plus, and it's actually a bit narrower as well. So it's actually a lot easier to grip it with one hand. So as you can see, so a lot smaller. And then here we got the Galaxy S10 Plus. Same thing, this is a larger screen, 6.2 inch I believe. As you can see, the Galaxy S10 Plus screen is a lot bigger than the actual Pixel phone. So yeah, here's the back. And so there's the Galaxy. And then one more, we have the Galaxy S8. So this is the smaller version, not the Plus. And yeah, the Pixel's a lot smaller. So I believe this is a 5.8 inch. I'm not 100% sure, I might have to check on that, but yeah, it's just a pinky shorter, and the width is just a little bit narrower. That's pretty much it. That's my unboxing of the Pixel 3, and thanks for watching.